Credit Captain. In today's video, we are going to review Credit Captain. So let's get started. Credit Captain is an AI-powered credit repair service that helps individuals improve their credit scores by removing negative items like charge-offs and missed payments. And by providing guidance on other credit-related questions, the company uses artificial intelligence to accelerate the credit repair process. So, Credit Captain has a mixed to positive online reputation with many satisfied customers reporting significant score improvements, but also some complaints about service delivery issues. So, let's get started. So, it has some positive reviews about credit score improvement. Numerous customers report substantial increases in the credit scores, with some mentioning jumps of 40 to 75 points within a few weeks to months. It has effective negative item removal. Users have shared success stories about Credit Captain effectively disputing and removing incorrect late payments, lingering marks, and other negative items from the reports. It has a strong customer service, and customers appreciate the user-friendly nature of service and the use of AI technology to streamline the credit repair process. Now let's talk about negative reviews and complaints. A recurring complaint is that some customers paid for service but did not see any activity or service provided even after several weeks or months. A review on the Better Business Bureau website mentions that the service is not as promised at all, despite glowing reviews elsewhere. Some general advice on forms like Reddit cautions that all credit repair companies essentially do what consumers can do for themselves for free by sending dispute letters, and that lenders can sometimes disregard these letters as frivolous. So, Credit Captains appear to have a large number of satisfied customers who have seen positive results. However, potential users should be aware of the complaints regarding inconsistent service delivery and bear in mind that the fundamental principles of credit repair, disputing inaccuracies, can technically be done independently. So that's all. That's how you'll be able to know about Credit Captain. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.